What's up and welcome back to the channel. And holy smokes, we had a night last night. We cashed both the YouTube free plays and the money line that I gave out on that YouTube free play, along with VIP just went absolutely crazy last night. So we'll recap some of the wins here. But right away, if you use the code Jackson, you're going to get 85% off the VIP month pass, along with if you want to subscribe to the year pass. So if you come over here, it's 85% off of this $149 for the VIP gold level for the month. And then the full college football NFL season pass, that's 85% off as well. So we made our money there. And let's go through some of those wins from yesterday because it was a good night. It was a sweat up into the fourth quarter of who was going to win, if people were going to take their overs or not. But we ended up cashing out. So this was a YouTube free play that we gave out on Wednesday. Turned 10 into 22-10 there with Darnold free square. Then Trey McBride over 49.5 receiving yards. You hit that late in the fourth. We hit this one 5 into 12. This was the YouTube free play from yesterday. So we hit that one as well. And then we had Seattle money line, and they hit that one as well on a walk-off field goal. As time expires. So, gotta love that. 5 into 12 there. We hit this one over on BetterPicks. If you guys are new to Better, use the code 907Fantasy over there. They're going to hook you up with 2 free plays along with, I believe it's $200 of a match there. So, 5 into 10. We hit this one as well, 5 into 850. We hit this 4-man for 5 into 10. I believe all Jackson Smith and Jigba, he was making me sweat. He's been getting over 100 yards every game, and then he had 10 yards going into the fourth quarter last night, and I was sweating it. But he came through for us. He got a few big passes, especially late on those late drives. But he cashed for us at 79. So 5 into 1080 there, 5 into 8 here, 5 into 10 here. 5 into 850 here. And then on Underdog, we hit this nice little 2x payout there, along with the money line of, it was 5 into like 8, I believe there. So nice money line win there for the Seattle Seahawks. Once again, like I said, if you want all of VIP, go ahead and use the code Jackson. You're going to get 85% off of VIP right now. So make sure to take advantage of that. We have more bankroll going into this weekend. It's going to be a massive weekend, and I am excited. I cannot wait for it. And we're going to kick that off today with the YouTube free play. Like I said, it's 85% off the VIP gold level, along with the full college football and NFL season pass. So looking at today's schedule, we got 3 games to look at. Florida State at Virginia, TCU at Arizona State, Houston at Oregon State. I'm probably going to stay away from props in this game, the Florida-Virginia. I just don't really love any of them. TCU, Arizona, that should be a shootout. Both teams have high-powered offenses, and they like to throw the ball. So like that game. And then Houston, I'm taking Houston money line here. That's a YouTube. You could say that's YouTube free play, but Houston money line. Oregon State is absolute trash. They are garbage. And Houston should be able to handle that game easily. So taking that money line there. They're also favored by 13.5. So let's get into what we are going to be playing. And if we come over here on PrizePicks, we'll lock this in on PrizePicks, and then I'll send out some more on probably Sleeper and Better, a few other apps there. But looking at this, I love the overs here for Josh Hoover. We'll probably take an alt line here just to make sure that we get an easy win for YouTube. I like the over 224. He missed it last year once. But other than that, he's been going for over 280 this whole year. So at 224, I like that. We could even take him at 224 looks like is the lowest. So we'll take him at 224. Take the over there. And then we'll match that up with Sam Levitt over 174. So he's been hitting this. He missed it the first game, but he hit it last game and the game before against Baylor. So I like that one. Both of them don't have very good passing defenses, so they should be able to throw the ball. Sam Levitt does like to air it out to his favorite wide receiver, right here, Jordan Tyson. That's his favorite wide receiver. He airs the ball out to him. So we'll look at that. And then for the third pick here, we're going to go over here and Dean Connors. I like his line there at 76.5. We'll even take an alt line at 50. They are going to be running the ball more, especially with Oregon State. They're going to be just trying to milk the clock, try and get that game over with. So 5 into 9 there. And we can take a look here if there's any other props that look good to us. Let's take a look here. We could take a look here. 19.5. I think they have it. Yeah. This is just an easy win here. Give me 5 yards. He's been getting basically 40 plus of an average there. Yeah, 40. His average here is 49 over the last 5. So give me 5 yards. We'll add that in there as just an easy, just little payout booster. We'll lock that in 5 into 11 there. So that is the YouTube free play for us today. So we got a little recap here. We got Josh Hoover over 224.5 passing yards. Sam Levitt over 175 passing yards. Dean Connors over 50 rushing yards. And then Randy Pittman over 5 receiving yards. So that is the official YouTube free play. Like I said, go ahead and get over here. Even if you just get on the free play or the free plan, I send out multiple free plays there along with any other updates to games or picks or anything like that. Get locked in on the YouTube or on the Winible free plan. And then if you guys need Chalkboard or Sleeper, you can get signed up. Sleeper is going to give you a $100 first deposit match when you use the code 907fantasy. And then Chalkboard is going to give you a free $20. No on sign up, no deposit necessary, just completely free to $20. You could even go ahead and put that on this lineup here and turn 20 into, what would that be like, 44? So nice, easy win, and then you could withdraw the 44 or keep playing with it. But they're going to give you $20 of completely free money, no deposit necessary when you use the code 907fantasy. So make sure to go over there on Chalkboard and get signed up. Good luck with all your plays today. Looking forward to tonight's games. There's going to be a lot more that go out on VIP. But that is the YouTube free play. Like I said, Houston money line, and then this play, this 4-man right here, is the 2 free plays there for us. So let's go lock in. Have a massive weekend. Friday, we're looking good. Saturday's going to be even better. And then Sunday, we're going to run it up. So make sure to get on the VIP. Make sure to take advantage of all those discounts. And good luck with all your plays, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.